the unpredictability and the impending possibility that it could happen anytime, and you can't do much about it except take a pill, which will probably take about an hour or 2 hours to suppress it. That is something that weighs heavily on our patients' minds.
Do not have to worry about the urticaria. He can continue with the urticaria, whatever treatment the doctor has given to him or her. Now, this urticaria antihistamines, many of the antihistamine urticaria do not have cross reaction or interaction with the other drugs. So they are pretty safe to use in the standard recommended doses. So the patient can continue his urticarial treatment and also treat the COVID as per the doctor's advice in the standard line.
It is always better to try with the standard therapy. The first drug, which is given in the single dose, then you can double it up. After 1 or 2 weeks, you can make it even 4 times. Even if the patient fails on this up dosing, then we can add certain more drugs, which is called as third line and fourth line drugs. So these patients can very well be taken, they can be made disease free after updosing or even using third line and fourth line drugs.
When we talk to patients and when patients listen to us in programs like this, they need to understand that these spots may last for just 10 minutes. Some spots may last for even 24 hours. They disappear, but the spots come back somewhere else at some other time. So when we look at the duration, we are looking at when did the hiving or whealing first start. So that's what we are looking at. So we need to take a very clear history and differentiate these symptoms for the patients.
Thank you so much for explaining to all us laymen about acute and chronic urticaria and how we should manage that. Also, given the COVID-19 pandemic, I think it's very, very important, an extremely insightful session. Thank you so much, doctors. On behalf of Sanofi India, IHW Council and our presenters, thank you so much, doctors, for being so patiently, answering all our questions. Thank you, everyone.